Solane, the leading LPG solutions brand, launches its grandest culinary competition yet. Solane Kitchen Hero Chef's Edition is the first ever cooking competition that aims to discover the next big name in the culinary world. This regional to national cooking tilt will go from north to south and across 16 regional stops in the country to recognize a new generation of talented chefs. Culinary creations will be judged by renowned chef and Solane Kitchen Hero Ambassador, Chef Sao del Rosario, and best-selling author and Solane Kitchen Hero Competition Director, Nancy Reyes Dini.
What's your specialty, man?
I do usually the Western style of cooking, but now I'm going back to the roots, cooking our local food and promoting our local ingredients.
So sa amin, sa region 8, sa Leyte, well known kami sa tuba. So I try to use tuba in my cooking and raising the pork ribs. So instead of using the wine, I use tuba.
I am knowledgeable with the idea of Middle Eastern and Indian food because I worked long time in Middle East.
Asian food. Asian. Thai, Japanese.
My specialty meats. Yeah. I specialize on slow cooking, kanang short ribs, beef shanks, and also steaks. Mga high quality meats I usually use for steaks and yeah.
My specialty is Italian, but I'm trying to upgrade myself to adapt Filipino food. Chicken opo match niya akong lutoon karon. Chicken opo match.
Karon akong lutoon karon is paborito sa akong anak niya. Very healthy sad siya kay vegetable manggod, vegetable pasta.
Filipino food.
Filipino.
Adobo.
Unique adobo. Wow.
This time, the representatives of Region 7 Central Visayas and Region 8 Eastern Visayas will be competing for regional competition. The next event will happen in Cagayan de Oro, competing for the representatives of Region 10 and Region 13. August 10 will happen in Davao City for Region 11. August 17 will happen in General Santos for Region 12. August 24 will happen in Metro Manila for NCR representatives. For the national competition, it will happen on September 7, 2018 in Eastwood Mall, Metro Manila.
We have 27 minutes left.
Criteria for judging: featured ingredients used 50%. The recipe must include at least one local ingredient inherent to the province being represented. Originality and creativity 50%. The participant must creatively show a tested recipe which corresponds to the local ingredients being used, for the total of 100%. There is also a given time for the chefs to answer the question given by the judges why they cook a certain recipe.
Actually, when I was in Tacloban, I'm working here for a year. I just bring this the ball, just
So what I really wanted to make, if you will enter this into another competition, a little bit of salt. Ang pinakahunahan is, since Cebu much, if you will represent Cebu again, maybe you can craft the hit.
Winners are announced for Regional 7 and Region 8.
So congratulations, Chef. So unsa may masulti nimo nga finally na achieve na nimo ang regional nga competition?
So tira ko is dili pa human nakaipit na bay sa isod na challenge ang
national.
Manila. Okay, ang Manila is that kaya in terms of culinary nga mga skills and mas advanced gid siya compared sa so this is our opportunity na to showcase that we are far from them. Parihar ta ka-level nila na
Natay kabuga.
Natay kabuga, natay ang natong culinary industries. Apil na gid, recognize na gid. Hindi lang sa Philippines, apil ang kalibutan.
Hi guys, I have here Chef Jimmy. So ano pong masasabi niyo sa whole experience niyo sa Solane Kitchen Hero?
Actually, yung alam ko sa Solane Kitchen Hero, ilang araw na akong di pinapatulog nito. Totoo lang. Kasi iniisip ko talaga yung gagawin ko na maging not totally perfect. Gusto ko lang maging maayos talaga yung gagawin ko. Kung ano yung pinractice ko, gusto ko, yun yung lumabas talaga. So talagang di ako makatulog, iniisip ko paano yung gagawin ko, paano yung sabihin ko sa mga judges. So pinag-aralan ko rin. Kaya siguro, ako yung napili dahil iniisip ko rin na paano ko gagawin yung menu ko. So pinag-aralan ko talaga sa mga.
Ano namang ihahanda mo sa next round, which is the national competition?
Sa next round, sa semi-finals, hindi pa namin alam kasi ano yun parang mystery box. So very exciting sa akin. Mas okay sa akin yung may mystery box. Mas maganda kasi may challenge ka. Mas challenge kasi hindi mo alam kung paano yung gagawin. So mas exciting. For me, mas exciting talaga.
Congrats.
Salamat.
Yes, guys.
Thank you.